You may be seated. This is the matter between the state versus Susan, case number M5525, sitting at Mmabatho Magistrates Court. I am the presiding officer in this matter, and I remind all parties that they are to conduct themselves in accordance with the law. The prosecutor may proceed with laying the charge on record.
As it pleases the court, your worship, I am Giradama Oahle and I am standing on behalf of the state. I would like to read the charges to the accused as they are her constitutional rights. Your worship, on the 14th of February 2025, the accused unlawfully and intentionally stole a dress valued 800 rand. She stole a dress at the Truett store located in Mmabatho, Lagos City. Thank you, Your worship.
Thank you, prosecutor. Accused, do you understand the charge laid against you? No. Accused, do you understand the charge laid against you?
Yes, Your worship.
How do you plead to the charge?
I plead not guilty.
Your plea of not guilty is noted and recorded in accordance with section 105 subsection 1b of the criminal procedure. The matter will now proceed to trial. The prosecutor may proceed with the opening statement as provided under section 150 of the Criminal Procedure Act.
If it may please the court, your worship, as per section 150 subsection 1 of the Criminal Procedure Act, the state intends to prove that the accused entered the Truett store. She concealed a dress that was valued 800 rand in her bag while she was still in the fitting room. Your worship, her action amounts to theft, and this is what the state intends to prove. Thank you, Your worship.
Thank you, prosecutor. Defense, you may proceed with the opening statement as provided under section 151 of the Criminal Procedure Act.
Worship. My name is Koketso Muruka and I'm appearing on behalf of the accused with the intention of proving she's innocent.
Proceed with the state's case. Prosecutor, you may call your witness.
As it pleases the court, your worship, I would like to call Miss Anthony Aluf, the security guard, to the stand.
Good day, Miss Anton. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth? And if so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
I swear to tell nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Thank you. The prosecutor may now proceed with the evidence in chief.
As it pleases the court, your worship, I would like to ask Miss Anthony, can you please tell us your name and your occupation for the record?
My name is Aluf Anthony. I'm a security guard by occupation.
Where were you on the 14th of February 2025?
On the 14th of February, I was under duty working at Truett located at Mmabatho.
Can you please tell the court what happened that day?
On the 14th of February, when I was working, there was a young lady who approached the exit at the door. Then the alarm started ringing. As they started ringing, I was just outside the store. The young lady had a bag and a cell phone in her hand. So I asked to search her bag. She then voluntarily, without violence, decided to take out a dress in her bag and hand it to me.
So, Miss Aluf, was the accused already outside the store when you approached her?
Yes.
Miss Aluf, when the EIS system alarm rang, what was the accused reaction? Did she stop to check what was happening? Proceed to walk out of the store?
She proceeded to walk out of the store.
Thank you, Your worship. No more further questions.
Thank you, prosecutor. The defense may now proceed with the cross-examination.
Thank you, my lord. Miss Anthony, when you approached the accused, did she resist to cooperate?
No.
Did you follow the right procedure?
Yes.
Did the accused voluntarily give you the dress or you searched her?
No, she voluntarily decided to give me the bag.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Thank you, this defense. The prosecutor may now proceed with the re-examination, if any.
As it pleases the court, your worship, I would like to re-examine the state witness. Ms. Aluf, when you approached the accused, you said she was already outside the store. When you approached her, did she give you the bag to search, or did she just voluntarily take out the dress and hand it to you?
She voluntarily decided to take out the dress and gave it to me.
Was she? So she voluntarily gave you the dress and you didn't search her bag at all?
Yes.
Thank you, your worship. No further questions.
Prosecutor, that concludes the testimony of the state witness. The state's case is now closed. We will now proceed to the case of the defense. This defense, you may proceed with the representation of your case and call of your first witness.
Thank you, your worship. Miss Susan, can you please come to the stand?
Good day, Miss Susan. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth? And if so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
I swear to tell nothing but the truth, and so help me God.
Thank you. The defense may now proceed with the chief in examination.
Miss Susan, where were you on the 14th of February 2025?
On the 14th of February, I was at the Truworth store at Mega City.
Can you please tell us what happened on that day?
On the 14th of February 2025, I went to the Truworth store at Mega City to buy a dress for my Valentine's Day with my boyfriend. I found a beautiful dress and went to the fitting room. That is when I took pictures and sent them to my mom. I was excited while fitting the dress, and then I subconsciously slipped the dress into my bag. I subconsciously slipped the dress into my bag and left the door. All the time I was in my phone, and I was confronted by the security guard at the door, and I voluntarily handed him the dress.
Miss Susan, when the security guard approached you, did you resist to cooperate?
No, I did not.
Okay. Did she search your bag or did you voluntarily give the dress to her?
I voluntarily handed the dress to her.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, defense. The prosecutor may now proceed with the cross-examination.
As it pleases the court, your worship, I would like to cross-examine the accused. Miss Susan, did you put the dress in your bag while you were still in the fitting room?
Yes. Yes.
Did you pay for that dress?
No, I did not.
Why didn't you pay for that dress?
Because I had forgotten that I had a dress in my possession.
Okay, so when you saw the till point, didn't you happen to remember to pay for the dress?
Objection.
What's the objection?
The question is irrelevant, Your Honor.
Overruled. The question is not irrelevant as it seeks to reaffirm the facts of the case. The accused may proceed with answering the question.
No, I did not remember to pay for the dress because I was in my subconscious state when I slipped the dress into my possession.
So, Miss Susan, when you walked out of the store, did the EIS system alarm ring?
Yes, it's rang.
Did you hear it ring?
Yes.
Miss Susan, do you know the function of that system?
Yes.
Can you please tell the court what's the function of that system?
The function of that alarm is to alert the security guard of what is happening at that moment and to prevent stock theft.
So, Miss Susan, when you walked out of the store and the EAS system alarm rang, what was your reaction? Did you perhaps stop to check what was happening, or did you just proceed to walk out of the store?
I proceeded to walk out of the store.
Thank you, Your Worship. No more further questions. Thank you, Miss Susan.
Prosecutor, the defense may now proceed with the re-examination if any.
Thank you, my lord. I don't have any further questions.
With that said, that concludes the evidence phase of this trial. The defense's case is now closed. This concludes the evidence phase of this trial. Court is adjourned for deliberation. Thank you.